I'm Rachel.
And I'm Jaylen.
And welcome to the New England.
Excuse you, according to my calculations, beep boop bop boop beep, this is a southern colony.
Okay then, welcome to the Southern Colony.
After this video, you will want to come to the southern colony. The states include Maryland, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia. These are the specializations of the southern colonies.
They include tobacco, rice, indigo, and cotton. So, what kind of people live in the southern region?
Well, it's basically made of plantation owners and their slaves. Do you know what interdependence is in the southern region?
Isn't it when the southern colonists trade with the New England colonists for manufactured goods?
Nope.
What?
JK, I think that's what the cool kids say. That's exactly what it is. Some of the characteristics of this region are the Appalachian Mountains, the Piedmont region, the Atlantic coastal plain, rivers and harbors. Here there are mild winters
and hot summers. There were very few cities and schools.
Because of the humongous plantations.
The counties in the south were made up of just a few plantations. So, how about you come over to the southern colonies?
Yeah, it would be fun.
Thanks for watching.